Make sure I don't die today, huh? It's very windy, by the way. Very windy. Look at how they're driving, bro. Yeah, please exit the highway, dude. Sketch ass dude. Oh, great, he's back. We're going, YouTube. We're going, man. Look at Dallas. Beautiful as always. I mean, New York. My bad. New York, New York. Beautiful as always. We made it, man. About to head over to Fuel City in New York. Meet up with some of my other fellow New York riders. See what we can get ourselves into today. Got invited to come out, so got a dope shoot that we're going to be doing tonight at this dope spot. I'm not going to ruin it or tell you guys anything yet, but it's a spot that I shot at before. It was a while ago, but it's an amazing spot, and I love going there. So if we're gonna see what we can do there, see who we'll meet up at, or see who we'll meet up with at Fuel City, and get it going. Wow, man, look at how beautiful the city looks tonight. Who knew New York was this beautiful? I think I slept on New York for too long, bro. The traffic is crazy though, as expected in New York. But about to head over there, man. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off real quick until we get there. So I'll be seeing y'all soon. Peace.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh, you know what? Let me talk about lane splitting real quick. So I'm not an experienced rider, but I have a few rides under my belt. And one thing about lane splitting that I can say is this. If you're gonna lane split, make sure that the lane split that you make is is any lane splitting ever a smart decision? But just make sure it's the smartest decision regarding lane splitting that you can make. Like, if you're gonna lane split, stay committed to your lane split. Don't change your mind at the last second. That's how people crash. That's how stupidness happens. Make sure you know that, okay, I'm gonna lane split and this is exactly what I'm gonna do. Make sure you know what you're gonna do before you even make the move in the first place. But I'll see y'all at Fuel City now, man. Peace. You see the amazing city of Dallas in the background. Made it to Fuel City and we're about to head over to a taco spot right now. Got my boys Aprilia, RSV4, ZX6, S1000, ZX10. Yeah, my boy Top 1 rides. I'm gonna get him when we get there, but about to head over to the spot, man. It's gonna be a really good ride tonight, and I pray that God continues to keep us safe. Dang, the pops sound crazy, bro. Bro, I be cracking myself up with my inner thoughts, boy, I swear. Hold on, make sure my brake still works, because I think with tweaking, Cole. Maybe I need to tighten up my brakes or something. Hold on. It should be a fun ride. We're hitting DNT, so we'll see what happens. I have to leave promptly. So I'm gonna go there, get me get like a taco or something, one taco, so I can save my appetite for after we do this shoot tonight. No music? Wow, bro. Dallas looks amazing. New York looks amazing. This place is awesome, dude. Damn, what the hell was that? Oh, he can't do all that with his lady on the back. Yeah, you can't be riding too crazy. There he goes. Yeah, my boy Type 1 rides with a beautiful, beautiful bike, bro. Beautiful ZX6. I finally got to ride with him and finally met him in person, so that's dope. There's gonna be a lot of wheelies on this ride, just so y'all know. Dang, this road sucks. He be picking that thing up though. Go check him out. I'm gonna tag his Instagram in there. Go check out his page. He does it all the time, bro. The sickest stand-up wheelies that you will see. Oh yeah, he's finna do it. Here we go. Bro, he's too good at that, bro. Yeah. Oh, they're not wilding up there, or am I tweaking? There you go. I'm gonna put his Instagram in there too. Type 1 Rides. Hey! Bro, that is too crazy, bro. Woo! He picked it up. He did pick it up. Bro, I told y'all, bro, it's gonna be a wheelie finale. A wheelie finale. Oh my gosh. Just listen to the sound of the bikes when they do it too. He's really good at those standing wheelies. I think he's gonna do it. I'm gonna try to stay next to him. I don't know how they do it. Hell yeah. Man, let's take this time to appreciate the Aprilia RSV4. Beautiful bikes. Absolutely beautiful bikes. Even the S1K, even my guy ZX6 over there, even his bike, absolutely stunning. Yeah. Woo! The motherboards took off. I remember coming here when I first moved to New York. Seeing the comedy shows, seeing the gas station, seeing everything. Wondering like, wow, this is a completely different world, bro. Hey, hey. Bro, I swear I call this controlled madness, bro. Like, look at him, he's having a great time. He knows what he's doing. Shoot. People look at us and think that we're idiots or something. I mean, a lot of people do a lot of idiotic stuff, but most of the people know what they're doing. Or if not, they learn the hard way. That's the last time they learn a lesson. Sadly. These bikes are one mistake and it's over type of things, bro. Like, you can't really be out here making mistakes. Because that's raps if you do. Man, we came all the way over here. And I have to leave, bro. I know they got some good food here. But I'm not going to be able to experience it because I got to go. Got to shoot at 8:30. Busy man, I swear. But I cannot complain, bro. It truly is a blessing, I swear. Ooh. My dude looking clean on the beautiful ZX10. Absolutely stunning, bro. I'm gonna tag his Instagram in the, I'm gonna actually put it around here somewhere, but I'm gonna tag his Instagram in there so I can get a good look at what's to come. License plate says run it. You know he means business. I know you want your job, but right now it ain't. Yeah, we actually came in here kind of deep. Deep away from the highway. Now we're able to ride a little bit faster. Hey, he vibing. I like the tail lights on the ZX10, I can't lie. It's actually a really good looking bike. If it wasn't for this, it would have... If it wasn't for this bike, I would have probably got a ZX10. Even though the dealership wanted me to get R6, I think. Yeah, they wanted me to touch the R6 or the, I think R7. Yeah, they were trying to violate. There's hella traffic, so I'm gonna slow down a little bit. I forgot I have somebody following me, so I don't want nothing to happen to him. Cause I think he just got that bike too. I don't know what he had before, but he just got that one about, I'd say, a week ago. It looks so sick too. Thank God you left. Thank God you got the way, why? Alright, again, we're gonna slow down a little bit. Let's get it! Bro, I know y'all see that car up there switching lanes with no they switch lanes with no indicator. When you're riding, make sure that you stay on the other side or as far as possible away from the nearest rider. Like if he was coming to this lane, he has the whole right side of this lane to do his thing. I try to make sure I give everybody space so we can do those things. All right, well. They lane switch canceled. The boys already probably there. I might as well take y'all through the city real quick of New York. Might as well take y'all through New York real quick. It's a dope place. Oh, they got a little baseball game going on over there. Mavericks ballpark. The New York Mavericks. It's crazy, bro. They changed their name, I think, a couple weeks ago.